You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word in British English and in American English, because the two pronunciations are a bit different. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including legal terms in particular, that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Acquitted, that's the British English pronunciation, UK. Acquitted. Acquitted. In American English, in the US, it's more generally pronounced as acquitted. Acquitted, with a flap T that sounds like a D. So, acquitted, US. Acquitted, British. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.